Hello, it's Thursday, June the 23rd, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar rose against the other major currencies as Fed Chairman Bernanke said they would maintain record stimulus after a Treasury purchase program ends. Interest rates stayed unchanged at 0.25%. Wall Street closed negative as Nasdaq weakened by 0.67% and the Dow by 0.66%. Crude oil closed at $95.41 a barrel and gold closed at $1,553.40 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected at 410,000 versus 414,000 last week, and new home sales are expected to stop from 323,000 to 310,000. The euro weakened versus the dollar amid speculation that Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou will struggle to pass additional austerity measures, even after winning a confidence vote. As long as the trading is below 143.60, the euro-dollar's momentum is bearish. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 143.41 and a high of 144.42. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected to decline from 54.60 to 53.80. The pound fell to its lowest level in 3 weeks versus the dollar as minutes released today from the Bank of England's most recent meeting showed more policymakers voted to keep interest rates at a record low this month. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 161.50, the pound's momentum is still bearish and a short position is preferred. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 160.61 and a high of 162.63. Today, CBI realized sales are expected at 13 versus 18 previously. The yen weakened a little versus the dollar owing to Chairman Bernanke's comments, which supported a stronger dollar. The dollar-yen has been struggling around 80 to 80.50 during the past 3 days. Only if the pair breaks above 81 will the US dollar turn bullish again. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 88.01 and a high of 80.38. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar remained weak versus the dollar after the Federal Reserve said it would let asset purchases end and maintain record monetary stimulus. As long as the pair is trading below 97.80, the Canadian dollar is the more relevant. Next support on the 1-hour chart is at 0.97. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.97 and a high of 0.9753. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.